Attracting luck is easy for me. I just naturally feel lucky all the time. My sincere gratitude attracts more good luck. Positive things always seem to happen to me. New and exciting opportunities are always coming my way. Others are always telling me how lucky I am. Luck and good fortune are normal everyday occurrence for me. I effortlessly tuned into and focused on luck. I deserve to be lucky. Good things just always seem to come my way. I am getting luckier. I am noticing that I feel lucky all the time. I'm becoming a very lucky person. I always think positively. I'm transforming into someone who is always lucky. Each day I attract more good fortune into my life. Luck is starting to flow into my life. Each day I become more thankful for all the luck and good fortune in my life. I will always be lucky. Feeling lucky is becoming easier and more natural to me. I am lucky. I attract good luck into my life. Others see me as a very lucky person. Positive things always happen to me. I always think positively. I am full of gratitude for all the good fortune in my life. I am the luckiest person alive. I am a naturally lucky person. Good fortune always comes my way. I am thankful for the abundance in my life. I attract good luck in my life. My thoughts are powerful and constructive. I expect good luck to come my way. Fortune favors the bold, and I am bold. I attract lots of money. I attract good fortune, wealth, and prosperity. I attract great and helpful friends. I make friends with successful people. I cultivate a network of successful friends. I help others as often as I can. I attract a lot of luck. I am a luck magnet. Every day I choose to be lucky. I am very helpful and giving. I attract successful people who generously share with me. Great relationships come to me. I am constantly offered great job opportunities. I am constantly offered great business opportunities. I attract all manner of good things to me. My luck is incredible. Good luck comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am lucky and luck loves me. I am so lucky and blessed person. Luck loves me. Hello, luck. I love you. It is great. I am so lucky. I'm super lucky. Super lucky. Today, I will let myself feel lucky. Lucky lady smiles on me. I am always at the right place at the right time. I expect the best and I get it. Wow, I always get everything that is for my highest good. Whatever is good for me is coming to me easily and effortlessly. I am divinely guided in all that I do. Life always gives me what is best for me. I deserve the best and it comes to me easily and effortlessly at the right time. The universe is my source for all that is good for me. I expect and receive only which is for my highest good. I am a powerful luck magnet. I am always up on my luck. I am always prepared. That is why I am so lucky. I am constantly drawing good luck towards me. I am a good luck person. I'm incredibly lucky. I am lucky in everything I do. I am my own good luck charm. I am the luckiest person in this world. I am grateful for my luck. I am grateful that I am a lucky individual. I am grateful for all my lucky blessings. I am grateful. I live in gratitude.